Hello everybody, welcome to Crystal Porn. This week's Centerfold, a little bit late, but here we are, is Shungite. What is Shungite to start this off with? Well, Shungite is not a crystal or anything in the neighborhood, it's actually elemental, non-crystalline carbon. Similar actually to charcoal. Now, which is interesting because charcoal takes toxins out of your body. Shungite takes toxic energies out of your body or does not even let it into your body. So it is a cleaner and it is a protector. It really works on non-beneficial energies, similar to black tourmaline. Now, that's not the only thing. But the basic understanding is that Shungite is a grounding stone. As we said, it cleans out energy and protects us from non-beneficial energies. It balances the left and right hemisphere of our brain, and it works very strongly on our root chakra. Now, all these abilities of the stone are not necessarily that special. There's many minerals who do the same thing. And Shungite has some on top of it. Once, it's got fullerenes, C60 buckyballs, naturally occurring in it. Unfortunately, in a very, very small concentration, which is like 0. And then 0.501% of the mass are these buckyballs. And here again is also like the difference between Shungite and royal Shungite. The royal Shungite has a tiny bit more C60 in it. Now, what does that do? C60 is quite an amazing, I don't even know what it is really, element or construct, only consisting of carbons, making a ball, a cage. All the atoms are connected. Now, if we would ingest these buckyballs, it would take poison or heavy elements. It's a chelator. It takes stuff out of our body. Now, we don't want to eat the Shungite though, but energetically, it also helps to take in non-beneficial energies. It is very small amount and it does its work. So what would I use Shungite really for? There is one, I can put it in my room, I can put it in my house, I can have it on my body, and it does have an effect of protection, including a very little bit of EMF protection. Not really. I haven't found any crystals who actually do the trick yet. We do need to have a field generator really, like a Tesla. Tesla Gold or Tesla Blue are like electronic instruments which create a field around us which negates these electromagnetic energies. A crystal can do it up to a certain extent, but not really, unfortunately. On the other hand, Shungite is a most beneficial instrument or tool to put it in our water. The Tsar of Russia did that to cleanse the water. Now, scientifically, we found out it actually restructures the water. Water we drink out of our faucet, out of bottles, is dead. There is no life in it, so to speak. And it's actually also not very easy to assimilate in our body. Now, if we structure the water, which is like natural, coming out of a river, going over rock, getting information, the water is more easy assimilated in our body. We are more easily hydrated, and we get the original information of the water into our body. Life. So putting Shungite in your drinking water, in your water filter at the bottom or at the top or both, in your water bottle, is extremely beneficial. Okay, I don't want to bore you too much and play around with Shungite, and it's a relatively new stone in our consciousness. So I would appreciate some feedback in your experience with Shungite. That is all for Shungite. It is a beautiful material. Mainly I use it for my drinking water. Energy protection, I have other stones, but it does work in that. It works for grounding. It does balance our left and right hemisphere in the brain. And it works amazingly on the first chakra. So it is a beautiful stone. It is beneficial, and I actually love having that material around. I hope I could give you some information, and see you next time. Thank you.